Hello, friends out there. Welcome to yet another day of Earth Matters. I'm Greg type2, a proud forever business owner. Today, I'll be making an attempt on how we can prevent type 2 diabetes. Now, it is very important for us to know that diabetes is actually ravaging the society globally, and we need to look at ways to preventing it. We have three types of diabetes, type 1, type 2, and then the gestational diabetes. But our concern for today's presentation is ways to preventing type 2 diabetes and also how to control diabetes. Now, having diabetes means the glucose, the sugar level in your blood are too high. And diabetes is a chronic long-term condition. Many things can put you at risk for type 2 diabetes. For example, you're more likely to get type 2 diabetes if you are over 45 years, if you are overweight, or you have pre-diabetes. People with pre-diabetes have blood glucose level higher than normal, but not high enough to be diagnosed with type 2 diabetes. Having pre-diabetes increases your risk for type 2 diabetes, heart disease, and even stroke. Now, diabetes is a leading cause of disability and death all over the world. The good news is that you can do a lot to prevent or checkmate type 2 diabetes. And how do we go about that? Watching your weight, eating healthily, staying active, quitting smoking of cigarettes. You may also reach or talk to a registered dietitian. A dietitian is a health professional who helps people with healthy eating. You may ask, how do we come in contact with dietitians? All the forever business owners around you are dietitians. Okay? They'll help to tell you the right diet to give to your body for the body cells to get all of the nutrients as required for it to function at optimal level for you. Now, the most common form of diabetes is type 2 diabetes, and that is why we are talking about it today. About 90 to 95% of people with diabetes have type 2. And this form of diabetes is most often associated with elderly people, people that are obese, and those with family history of diabetes, previous history of gestational diabetes, those with physical inactivity, and certain ethnicities. About 80% of people with type 2 diabetes are overweight. Now, when type 2 diabetes is diagnosed, the pancreas is usually producing enough insulin, but for unknown reasons, the body cannot use the insulin effectively, a condition that is known as insulin resistance. Now, after several years of past experiencing insulin resistance, insulin production decreases. The result is the same as type 1 diabetes. Glucose now builds up in the blood, and the body cannot make efficient use of its main source of fuel. Type 2 diabetes is a chronic medical condition that affects millions of people all over the world. Unmanaged diabetes may lead to blindness, kidney failure, heart disease, and other serious health conditions. Now, before diagnosis, your blood sugar level may be high, but not high enough to indicate diabetes. This is known as pre-diabetes, like I mentioned earlier on. Now, taking a test can help you figure out your risk factor for this condition. Progressing from pre-diabetes to diabetes isn't inevitable. Several lifestyle and dietary modification may reduce your risk. For instance, reducing your intake of carb, taking enough water as your primary beverage, trying to lose excess weight, quit smoking, reduce your food portion sizes, not eating too much, and then cut back on sedentary lifestyle. Follow a high fiber diet, optimize your vitamin D level, and then minimize your intake of highly processed food. Then give to yourself high quality nutritional supplements. Then you have to regularly exercise. Now, exercise is key to sound health and also to checkmate diabetes. How? Exercise helps counter the effect of type 2 diabetes in several ways. It increases insulin sensitivity, which helps the cells use any available insulin to take up glucose from the blood. Also, when muscle cells contract during exercise, they are able to take in glucose even when insulin is unavailable. Now, if you are insulin resistant, exercise regularly. Exercise actually makes your insulin more effective. That is, your insulin resistance goes down when you exercise regularly. Now, we made mention of high quality nutritional supplements. The best you can give to your body is that from the Forever Living shelf. And the number one of them is the Forever Aloe Vera Gel. Why? The aloe vera gel can cleanse and detoxify your body of every unfriendly element that could lead to damage to the beta cell in the pancreas. And it equally helps to relieve one of headache and fatigue. It reduces acidity levels in the body, reduces cholesterol levels, helps to maintain blood sugar and pressure levels. The aloe vera gel also helps maintain healthy digestive system. Now, it may surprise you to know that the aloe vera gel contains more than 200 nutritional compounds, 20 minerals, about 18 amino acids, and 12 vitamins. Then another of our amazing products that will equally help to prevent or checkmate diabetes is that which is being referred to as the king of tonics, and that is Forever Ginger. Forever Ginger is a powerful antioxidant, a good source of protein that helps to increase stamina and endurance. It's a natural antidepressant. Also help with menopausal problems and a fever. Then the fields of greens. The fields of greens is a must take as it helps promote and support a normal range of the blood sugar. It's also a powerful antioxidant. It is good for bones, liver problems, healthy digestion and circulation. And then we'll talk about the garlic thyme. Garlic thyme is an amazing product also from the Forever shelf. What does it do for us? It helps to disinfect the bloodstreams and cleanses internal organs. It helps clean excess fat deposit like cholesterol, thereby reducing blood pressure. It is very good for diabetes as it lowers blood sugar, as it empowers insulin, frees up insulin to help metabolize glucose in the blood. It also helps in infections such as cold, candida, chest infections, and throat infections. It's an anti-clotting agent. As an antioxidant, it helps boost the immune system and also help counter diabetic eye. It is very good for nerve problems. Then we have the Arctic Sea omega-3, another amazing product from the Forever Shelf that help to maintain healthy heart, reduce cholesterol levels, promote good vision, help with memory improvement, healthy immune system, improve skin health, and help prevent joint inflammation. It also supports healthy blood pressure. Then, most importantly also to be talked to us is the Active Pro B, Forever Active Pro B, that has 6 strains of friendly bacteria. It maintains a balanced, healthy immune and digestive system. Bypasses stomach acid for optimal delivery to the intestine. It also assists food digestion. Helps release nutrients for absorption. It contributes to normal growth. Does not require refrigeration. And is a powerful antioxidant. Now, with Forever Supplement combined with healthy lifestyle and healthy diets, then exercise, every one of us can experience optimal health. As we round up, I want to tell you that you can save a life today by liking and sharing this video. Just help to like and share this video. So, thanks for listening.